it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to break down the best digital coupon deals that you can do this week at CVS. And at the end, I have a bonus $10 challenge. So I'm going to show you how you can grab about $37 worth of products for $7 out of pocket. So definitely stay tuned for that. Tons of different deals that you guys can stock up on, including laundry products, paper products, personal care, an amazing deal on razors. We're gonna dive into it all right here. If you are new, take a second and hit that red subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you as a part of my channel. My big goal this year is to reach 100,000 subscribers. So every single one of you guys can help me with that, and it's completely free to subscribe. So without further ado, let's dive in. There is an amazing spend $30, get a $10 extra buck deal going on next week. There's a ton of different products included. So I have two different scenarios for you guys, and you can mix and match whatever deals that you want based on the coupons that you have, the products that you need, etc. So make sure that you're mixing and matching and only doing deals on products that you actually need and use. So for this scenario, what you can do is grab a large Gain liquid, one Hawaiian Tropic After Sun. These are buy one, get one half off, one Banana Boat After Sun as well, and one Dawn Power Wash for $5.99. That'll bring you to $31.46. We're over $30, so we're good to go. Now we have digital coupons. $3 digital for the Gain, $2 for the Hawaiian, $2 for the Banana Boat, and $2 for the Dawn. You'll pay $22.46 out of pocket. Yes, you can always pay with extra bucks. Then you're gonna earn back a $10 extra buck for spending $30. Makes your final cost $3.11 per product, which I think is an incredible deal. You're getting a large Gain liquid for $3.11. Let's take a look at option two. Option two, what you're gonna do is grab a large Tide Pods for $13.49, one Downy Rinse at $6.99, a Finish Jet Dry for $7.99, and a Febreze plug. You'll be at $32.41. For digital coupons, we have $3 off the Tide, $1 off the Downy, and $3 off the Finish, plus $2.30 off the Febreze plug. You'll pay $23.11, so slightly more out of pocket. Get back the $10 extra buck, makes your final cost $3.27 per product. CoverGirl is a really great deal this week. They are buy three, get a $10 extra back. So what you can do is grab 3 of the eye pencils for $5.49. We have a $3 CoverGirl eye digital coupon. You'll pay $13.47, get back a $10 extra buck, and submit to ShopMeum for $3 cash back on the second product. Makes your final cost 47 cents for 3 of them, which is a really, really good deal. There are some printable coupons available on coupons.com. So if you want to add that in, if you have a printer, then it's gonna wind up being a moneymaker. But if you don't wanna deal with that and worry about the hassle of printing it and such, then you can keep it all digital and do it this way. Crest and Oral-B are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So what you can do is mix and match or grab 2 of the same. They're all priced at $3.99 for this deal. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, shows you right here in the weekly ad. You'll pay $5.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes them 99 cents each. It's definitely not the best deal. We typically get Crest and Oral-B for free at Walgreens, but if you don't have a Walgreens, 99 cents is definitely better than paying $4 or paying full price at Walmart. So definitely do the deal if it's something that you need. Now we have Dove Whole Body Deodorant. My husband has been using the Old Spice Whole Body Deodorant that I had gotten a couple weeks ago when I was couponing, and he's been loving it. So I don't know about the lotion though and having to like rub it all over yourself, but I definitely want to start giving it a shot. And we have a Fetch Rewards rebate. Now, one thing on this deal, Fetch Rewards, when I checked my account, there were 3 different rebates. So I'm gonna try to sneak out and go to CVS and actually try out this deal to see how many points you get back from Fetch. There was $3 back. There was another offer for $2 back on the women's and another offer for spend 20, get something back. So this could wind up being an even better deal. So what you're gonna do is grab 2. Oh wait, they're buy one, get one half off. One second, let me update that. Okay, sorry about that. I went ahead and got everything updated. So these are the 3 rebates that are on Fetch Rewards. Now, with it being buy one, get one half off, you're not gonna quite hit this. You'll be at $19.48. Fetch Rewards, for me anyway, typically tracks it after coupons are used anyway, so you're only at $9.48 tracking towards that, but you should get $3 cash back each and $2 cash back each. It has multiple redemptions. So once you use the 10 off 2 digital coupon that everyone should have, and you get the points back from Fetch Rewards, your final cost is free and a 52-cent moneymaker. So definitely loving this deal. Anytime we can get a moneymaker, I am all for it. Garnier Facial Care is also a really good deal this week. Now, it does exclude the sheet masks and the wipes. Previously, they used to include the wipes. Those were the cheapest products available. But the Garnier Foaming Facial Wash, I actually use this personally in the shower. Takes off my makeup perfectly. Now, granted, I don't use waterproof makeup. I use like normal makeup that water like kind of washes off, but it works really, really well. So this is the next cheapest product at $9.79. They're buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get a $5 extra back. There's a $2 digital coupon like you see here. And check to see if you have any CRTs. What's a CRT? It's a store coupon. I have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. So you're gonna add those in together. You'll pay $10.68, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them $2.84 a piece, which is a really good price point. Skintimate, this is probably one of my favorite deals because razors are so expensive. This week, you're gonna be able to score them for 33 cents per pack. And we're getting 3 packs, so here's how. They are spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're $6.99. So what you're gonna do is grab 3 of them. That's gonna bring you to $20.97. So we're over the $15 mark, we're good to go. There is a $4 digital coupon available, so definitely clip that. There is also a $3 digital coupon. Now, I know my channel come 2024 is all digital. However, it's a way better deal to do it using printable coupons as well. So completely up to you if you want to use the printable coupons. If not, then you can just do it the all digital route. You're just going to wind up spending $5 more. So print 2 of the $4 coupons from coupons.com and check again for a CRT. I have a 3 off 12 Skintimate CRT. You'll pay $5.97, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them 33 cents per pack of razors. That is crazy. Hallmark is a decent deal. We used to get Hallmark CRTs all the time. Let me know in the comments if you still get them or if you've gotten one recently. I haven't gotten one in, I would say, at least 6 months. We used to get like 3 off 3 or 3 off 6 or something like that. So what you could do now is grab any 3. Now typically this works on the 99-cent cards as well. Now I haven't tried it out, but let me know in the comments if you guys try out the 99-cent cards, if it works, so we can all score 3 Hallmark cards completely free. So they're buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. There's no coupons or anything for this, so you'll wind up paying $1 per card. Now, here's an amazing thing before we get into the $10 challenge. Ibotta, when I was checking earlier today, they had a cashback offer for 3% cashback in store. Typically this is for online only, but this is for in-store only, which is so, so cool. So regardless of what you buy, it does not matter. Make sure you set an alarm and send your receipt to Ibotta. You're just gonna submit it. Takes you 2 seconds, you click submit my receipt, you take some photos and submit it, you're good to go. You're gonna earn 3% cash back. Now, when you read it, it does say that it's not eligible on coupons and promotions. So what I'm assuming is you're gonna earn the cash back on the value after coupons are used. But again, I haven't tested it out yet, so I'm not quite sure, but that's what this says. At the end of the day, you're earning 3% cash back for clicking a button twice. Like, that's amazing. And if you're new to Ibotta, the rebate app, I just posted a new tutorial on my YouTube channel, so definitely check that out for exactly how to use Ibotta, how to find the best deals, how to activate your offers, and of course, how to get your cash out and cash it out to your bank account. So all of that information is in that tutorial. And you can use code QMEHSBF. You'll get a $5 bonus if you use my code. All right, let's get into the $10 challenge. Now stay with me for this challenge, okay? Because there are a couple moving parts, but if you've been following me or if you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that I'm very detailed and very detail oriented, so I'm gonna go through it step by step. Transaction 1, you're doing the Schick deal and the Hallmark deal. After the coupons come off, you'll pay $11.97, get back a $5 extra buck and a $3 extra buck. Now I know what you're thinking, wait, it's a $10 challenge. Why are we already paying $11.97 out of pocket? Stay with me, I'm gonna show you how it gets down to less than $7 cash cost in just a second. For your second transaction, you're doing the crust and you're gonna grab a Kellogg cereal, any type that you want that's on sale for $1.99. Sorry about that. After the coupon comes off, you'll pay $7.97, but you're gonna hand the cashier the $8 in extra bucks. Some stores are a little weird about it. You have to hand them everything all at once, otherwise they claim they can't scan it. Yes, they can. That's how I personally do it at my store, but what you wanna do is just hand them the products and give them the extra bucks immediately. They'll scan it, they'll scan the extra bucks, the coupon will still come off, and you'll pay only taxes out of pocket. Now, total product value is almost $37. You're getting 3% back from Ibotta. Again, this is the amount after coupons are being used, so that's what I'm assuming this is gonna be calculated off of. Here's how you get it even lower. You're gonna use Flu's gift cards to pay. Now, Flu's is an app, it's super easy to use. And this app, you buy digital gift cards and you pay with those digital gift cards. Again, it takes 2 seconds to do the gift cards, and the second you buy it, you get the digital gift card. You don't have to wait a couple days or anything like that. And you get the cash back immediately to your Flu's account that you can cash out. So when you're new to Flu's, if you use my code in my link below in the description box, you're gonna get 2 boosts for 25% cash back. And CVS, one of my favorite stores to coupon at, is a store that the boost works on. So you're gonna earn 25% cash back on the first $10 that you're spending for gift cards. So you're gonna earn back $2.95 per gift card. So here's how it works. This is a little picture of the different boosts and stuff. Shows you right here, you can do CVS for 25% back. There are a ton of other stores that you can do. You don't have to do it this way. But whether you're new to Flu's or not, I recommend doing it this way, because even if you're an existing user like myself, you're still gonna earn 6% back. And what do I always say on my channel? Say it with me. If you're gonna be spending the money out of pocket, you may as well stack it with something that you're gonna be able to earn some cash back and some rewards on. So buy 2 separate $10 gift cards. You'll get $2.95 back per gift card. You're gonna use the first gift card on the first transaction, and you're gonna use a little bit of the second gift card on the first transaction. Second transaction, you're paying taxes, so again, use that second gift card. You don't have to use all of the gift card in one swoop. You can use $1 and then $2 and $5. It doesn't matter. It stays on your Flu's account forever until you use it up and you delete it. So don't worry about that. You'll be able to use the rest of it next week or for the next transaction. So here's your cash cost. You spent $20 on Flu's. You got 2 $10 gift cards. You'll have about $7 left after taxes and everything from the transactions that you did. You'll earn back $2.95 per gift card, so times 2, and the 59 cents cash back from Ibotta for the 3% offer they have right now. Makes your final cost $6.51 for $37 worth of products. So that is the power of couponing when you learn how to find the best deals, do the best transactions, and make sure that you're getting products that you need for 75 to 95% off, which is super, super cool. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys score amazing deals this week at CVS, and I will see you next time.